Are you look best bunk beds for your home? Check out our top picks. Our experts have scoured the market to find the best options available, so you can find the perfect bed for your needs. Whether you're looking for a space-saving option or something that will stand the test of time, so let's get started with the list. List number: Merit Line Twin over Twin Bunk Bed. The Merit Line 2-in-1 Twin over Twin Bunk Bed is a versatile and stylish addition to your bedroom. This elegant bed converts from a single bed to a central and double bunk bed with just a few easy steps. This convertible bunk bed features clean lines, sturdy full-length guardrail, and a central ladder for easy access to upper bunk. A top twin bunk sits above, while the space below features 2 padded seats and a table surface, ideal for homework, play, and eating. This beautiful white wood bunk bed features 2 convertible benches with a pair of bench seats facing a single surface at center. The functional loft bed with desk is sure to create a fun and functional space in your bedroom when the top bunk converts to a twin-size sleeping area. Beautifully designed and strong, this convertible bunk bed is sure to fit nicely with your decor. List number: Olayla Twin over Full Metal Bunk Beds. The Olayla Twin over Full Metal Bunk Bed with Trundle is a perfect partner for kids, as it offers 2 separate sleeping spaces across the 2 beds. The upper bed is ideal for toddlers, while the bottom bed is great for big kids. Both rooms are made of sturdy iron and offer a spacious design, so you know your child will have plenty of room to play, featuring full-length guard railings throughout and 2 built-in ladders each side. This bunk bed is safe enough to use both day and night. This modern-style metal bed frame, paired with MDF board, brings a chic look to your bedroom or dormitory. Twin over Full Bunk Bed is manufactured with quality steel and gives your kids safety at 250 pounds of upper bed, 350 pounds of bottom bed, 250 pounds of twin-size trundle bed. List number 3. Harper & Bright Designs House Bunk Beds with Slide. One of the best living spaces for your growing children. The Harper & Bright Designs House Bunk Bed with Slide ensures your child's safety and security wherever they play. Built from solid pine wood and MDF, this sturdy frame is capable of holding up to 400 pounds on the top bunk, 600 pounds on the bottom bunk. This bed includes 14 upper bunk slats and 7 lower bunk slats for additional safety, so you can relax knowing that both your child and their belongings are well protected. The 3-step ladder integrated into the frame design allows your child to travel safely using a fold-down step while they get ready for bed or playtime. Safeguard full-length railings on either side of the upper bunk to ensure they remain safely on it without accidental falls while taking care of everyday tasks around the house or going to clubs or sleepovers. List number: Softsea Twin over Twin Bunk Beds. The Softsea Twin Bunk Bed is one of the best home furnishing products in this current market. It is compatible with nearly any bedroom space and family. These beds are designed for living area, and also it can be used as a single bed for kids. The Softsea Twin over Twin Bunk Bed is a solid wood and MDF twin bunk bed frame. It is durable, non-toxic, low-volc finish, and includes 2 side ladders and guardrails on the top bunk for safety. The ladder, also with storage, can store some idle items. Assembly required. Made of solid pine wood in a beautiful painted finish, this bunk bed offers a traditional and transitional style that coordinates with any style. Including 2 side ladders and guardrails on the top bunk, it provides safety while enhancing the appearance of your child's room. List number: DHP Brady Solid Wood Bunk Beds. This DHP bed will enhance any bedroom. A great place to store all of your child's clothes, toys, books, and more. This child-friendly tree-shaped bunk bed is a must-have for any home. Designed to provide a comfortable sleep area for children, our dual-level bunk bed is thoughtfully designed. The top bunk bed is designed for young children ranging from 6 years of age to young teenagers, while the bottom bunk beds are designed for older teenagers. All furniture comes ready assembled, and this collection is finished in an antique white finish. These bed frames feature a wide underbed area, perfect for a study corner, reading nook, or small playground. This DHP solid wood boarding house bunk bed has a wide range of colors and finishes to choose from to coordinate with many types of spaces.